So in this problem, we have quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Now that's important in a minute. Point P, Q, R, and S lie on the sides of ABCD and they form two squares and two rectangles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this X and Y here and X and Y here. So what we want is we want the numeric area of the two squares, APX, S, and XQCR, sum to this ratio, 20 over 22 of the whole area. Now what we want is we want the sum of the ratios right here. So AP and PB are X and Y, and then we flip it, PB and AP. So I'm going to work over here. So we have X over Y plus Y over X. So what I want is I want a common denominator. So I have X squared over XY plus Y squared over XY. And we get X squared plus Y squared over XY. So we're going to leave that right there for the moment. And we're going to look at this piece of information right here. Now in this figure, we've got X squared is this square, and Y squared is this area. Now that's the area of these two squares, X squared plus Y squared. But what's the area of the whole thing? Well, it's X plus Y quantity squared, and that equals 20 over 22. But we can actually reduce it to 10 over 11. Now I'm going to expand out the bottom. So we have X squared plus Y squared over X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared equals 10 over 11. Now with this proportion, I am going to cross multiply. So we have 11x squared plus 11y squared equals 10x squared plus 20xy plus 10y squared. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So I'm going to take 10 of each of these and bring them over to the other side. So we have x squared plus y squared equals 20xy. Now that piece of information is exactly what we need over here. Because in place of x squared plus y squared, on top we have 20xy over xy, and we get 20. That's how we get that answer.